Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to mirror cards in Trello. So this is very simple, just follow my steps. First, click on the card that you want to mirror and it will open up the card like this. Then click on this three dots icon which says Actions and it will open up this menu where you have the option to mirror. So click on it and then simply select a board where you want to mirror your card and select the list that you want to mirror. So click on mirror and now as you can see, mirroring complete. The card was mirrored to my Trello board. You can view it right here. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.